how to send your live location on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily send your live location using WhatsApp. So first thing, just head over to your WhatsApp application and make sure you are logged into your account, and just click on any of the chat where you want to send your live location, and just click on this paperclip icon over here, and you can see the option to send a location will appear. Just tap on this location option and just click on share live location button over here, and you can see the members in this chat will be able to see your location in real time. So just click on continue if you trust your members inside your friends. So you can also set how long you want to share your live location. So I want it to be shared for like 15 minutes, so I'll just click on next and click on send. So they will be seeing my live location for about 15 minutes. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.